Are you tired of insane energy bills? High Performance has the exclusive solution that saves you money on electricity bills, gives you up to $1,200 in tax credits, makes your home more comfortable, less noisy, and helps the planet. Introducing High Performance's energy efficient windows. We will install custom windows for your home that are sleek, modern, cut down on the noise so you don't let the AC you pay so much for go out the window. Our experts will do a free inspection of your home and do what we call a high performance power plan. We will give you the tools to modernize your home, optimize energy efficiency, and transform how you feel in your home. In addition, they cut out unwanted noise by up to 50%, letting you relax with ease in your new renovated home. Other companies charge extra for this feature. However, under the High Performance Sound Reduction Act, we give away these features for free. So call us today or click the link below and sign up. Stop burning money on your old, dated windows that make your home noisy, less comfortable, and less stylish. Let's upgrade and update your home for less than you may think. And book soon to take advantage of our limited time offer to send you on vacation. Our vacation vouchers pay for a wide variety of cruises and condos with no strings attached, other than buying our state-of-the-art windows. So, what are you waiting for? Modernize your home today.